Morning children. Children, in our last video we had just completed our chapter 9, that is measurement of weight. Now today children we will start our next chapter, that is chapter number 10. And our chapter number 10 is measurement of capacity. Now children, you will think, what does it mean by capacity? So children, the term capacity means the quantity of liquid that a container can hold. Okay. So we call that quantity is the capacity of that container. Suppose we have a bucket and we have filled water in it. So the quantity of water that bucket contains is the capacity of that bucket. Okay. Similarly, suppose children, we have water in a storage tank and the tank is full with water. So the quantity of water that the tank can hold is the capacity of that tank. So children, we measure the capacity of any container in terms, the units are liter and milliliter. Liter is the standard unit of measurement of capacity. The short form for liter is your capital L and the short form of milliliter is ml. Okay. So to measure the large quantity we use the unit liter, and to measure the small quantity we use the term milliliter. Now children, in the page number 77, you just look at the question number 2. Write on the blanks the appropriate unit liter or milliliter that should be used to express the quantities of the following. So cough syrup in a small bottle. Now children, the cough syrup in a small bottle is in the small quantity, no? So we will use the unit ml, milliliter. Now water in a swimming pool. So there is a large quantity of water, no? So we will measure in liter. Now milk in a cup. So cup will hold little amount of milk. So milliliter. Petrol in a car, we will measure in liter. Water in a bucket, we will measure in liter. Fruit juice in a glass, we will measure in milliliter. Kerosene in a drum, we will measure in liter. Water in a storage tank. You have seen a storage tank at your home. So we will measure the water in a tank in liter. Now ketchup in a sachet. So again we will measure the ketchup in milliliter. So to measure the small quantity of any liquid, we use the unit ml, milliliter, or to measure the large quantity of any liquid, we use the unit liter. The short form of liter is L and the short form of milliliter is ml. I hope it is clear. Now children, relationship between the units of capacity. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now we are moving to the conversion of capacity from bigger unit to smaller unit. You know, to convert bigger unit to smaller unit, we do multiplication and we will multiply by 1000 because 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. And to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, what will you do? Yes, we will do divide by 1000. Very good. Now children, moving to exercise 10.1, convert the following into milliliter. So children, the first question is 7 liter and you have to convert into milliliter. Question is given in bigger unit and you have to convert into smaller unit. So what will we do? Yes, we will multiply. So let's do the question number A children. Here children, 7 liter equals to 7 into 1000, that is 7000 milliliter. So we are doing here multiplication because we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit. And 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. So we are multiplying by 1000. So our answer is 7000 milliliter. Clear children? Similarly, we are moving to question number D. You have to convert 3 liter into milliliter. Again children, here it is given in liter and you have to convert into milliliter. Bigger unit to smaller unit. So again we will do here multiplication by 1000. So 3 multiplied by 1000, that is 3000 milliliter. Clear children? Now children, next question, when there is liter also and milliliter also. You know this conversion, no? So we are moving to question number E, 5 liter, 226 milliliter. So children, we will multiply this 5 liter by 1000 and this 226 we will add. So 5 multiplied by 1000, we are getting 5000 plus 226 ml. Now you do addition children. So 5226 milliliter. You know these steps, no children? Yes, we will just convert only this 5 liter into ml by multiplication with 1000. And this 226 ml we will just add only. I hope the steps are clear. Okay, let's move to one more question. Question number J. So 2 liter and 25 milliliter and you have to convert into milliliter. So again 2 liter we will convert into milliliter and this 25 milliliter you will just add. So 2 you convert by multiplication with 1000 and this 25 milliliter you just add. So 2000 plus 25 milliliter, that is 2025 milliliter answer. So I think children these steps are clear because already we are repeating the same steps, no, in every chapters. Okay. Now children, turn the page. Moving to question number 2. Compare the following using greater than sign, less than sign or equal to sign. Our first question is 7 liter 105 milliliter and second side we have 7105 milliliter. So children, you have to compare these two and then you have to put your appropriate sign. Okay, so let's do the first number question. In the first number question children, you may look here. This side we have liter also and milliliter also. But second side we have only milliliter. As you know, we have to bring both the sides same unit. So here it is only milliliter. So we will bring this side only milliliter. So convert this number into milliliter. So 7 liter means 7 multiplied by 1000 milliliter plus this 105 you write here. So we have 7000 plus 105 ml, that is 7105 ml. And now we have at the right hand side 7105 ml. So you may look children, both numbers are same, 7105 ml, 7105 ml. So both are same, no? So you will put here equals to sign. I hope it is clear. Now moving to next question, question number B. Here one side we have 9 liter, second side we have 9000 milliliter. So again here liter, but here milliliter. So again we will bring both sides same unit. So convert this 9 liter into milliliter. So 9 multiplied by 1000 to convert into milliliter and we are getting 9000 milliliter. But here also 9000 milliliter. Again you may see children, both are same, no? 9000 milliliter, 9000 milliliter. So we will put here equal to sign. Okay. Now moving to question number G. Here 8 liter 250 ml. But here 8520 ml. So again children, we will convert this into ml and then we will compare. So convert start 8 into 1000 plus 250 ml. Now multiply 8 into 1000, that is 8000 plus 250 ml. Now add this 8250 ml and here 8520 ml. So now tell me which is bigger, this or this? Yes, this number is bigger, no? So put here greater than sign. Now moving to question number H. Here 2 liter 55 ml and here 255 ml. So 2 multiplied by 1000 plus 55 ml and here 255 ml. Okay. Now convert it, 2 multiplied by 1000, that is 2000 plus 55 ml. So on addition we are getting 2055, that is 2055 ml. But here only 255 ml. Okay. Now which is bigger, 2055 ml or 255 ml? Yes, 2055 ml is more, no? So you put here greater than sign. I hope steps are clear, children. So first of all, you will bring both sides same unit. So bring both sides milliliters and then you compare. Now it's time for your home assignment, children. Your home assignment is in exercise 10.1, question number 1, you will do question number C, D and K in your copy. Now question number 2, question number B, D, F, H and J you will do in your copy. Okay, all the questions which I have done in this video, these questions also you will solve in your copy and this homework also you will do in your copy. So children, take care, complete your work properly, do in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you children. Have a nice day.